Welcome back to the Techmoto channel and the Ultimate Log Cabin. So I've decided to make a project that involves some metal work. And I don't have any metal work facilities in the cabin yet. So we're going to start off today by making a little sort of heat treatment area. I've bought some fire bricks. I've got a piece of wood for a base. I've got some fire cement. So I'm going to put together a little sort of surround that I can do heat treatment on without burning the cabin down. So first thing to do is to cut these fire bricks down to size so that we can stick them to this base. So to stick the fire bricks to the base, we're going to use this mitre fast glue. How I didn't know about this before is a miracle. It is wonderful stuff. So it comes with one bottle of glue. It's a bit like super glue, but it's called mitre fast. It's for woodwork. And then it comes with an accelerant, like a catalyst. So you put the catalyst on one side, the accelerant on one side, you put the glue on the other side. When you bring them together, literally 10 seconds later, it's stuck. I mean, it's amazing. Absolutely brilliant. So we're going to stick all these bricks down with this glue, and then in between the bricks, anything facing upwards, we're going to use this fire cement, so no flame gets through to the wood underneath. Okay, so that's all glued down. That glue is fantastic, but if a little bit too quick, it literally sets the second it hits. So you've got to get it exactly right. There's no room for maneuver. Okay, so we have put all the bricks together. They're all absolutely solid, and we filled all the gaps with fire cement. Now the fire cement is still wet, so what we're going to do is put a flamethrower on them. Okay, so our flamethrower of choice is this. It's basically a sort of propane, flammable liquid. Yes, highly flammable, I hope so. And a new torch. So we're going to fix the torch to the top of the canister, and then we're going to give it a bit of a blast. Okay, so all the fire cement is set, so now we just scrape off the excess and we're good to go. Okay, so not the prettiest thing in the world, but completely fireproof. So we can weld things in here with the alley welding rods. We can heat bits of metal up and bend them and do all sorts of stuff with this now. It's absolutely solid. That fire cement fills all the gaps. And then we've got these spare pieces that we create sort of little areas with so that we can get more intense heat. So for example, if I build this up like this, I can get a hotter space because I'm putting it into So we've got a heat treatment space. My next project, which you'll find out about in future videos, involves cutting, welding, shaping of aluminium. So I've bought a few extra tools. So I've got a nibbler gun for cutting out the aluminium. So that's my first air tool. I've got the blowtorch. I've got various new saws. I bought a whole new set of metal files and little tiny metal files as well. So we're equipping ourselves to make something out of metal, but that's for a future video. So that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next.